Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Mary Mac. This week on the podcast, we're making some soup because we feel like we need a break from pumpkin and turkey. So we're making hot Italian sausage soup with collards and beans. That's a very long name.
Hey, what's in this recipe? I just can't figure it out from the title.
Well, it's got hot Italian sausage in it.
Oh, I would never have known.
And some broth.
Oh, does it have, vegetables in it
Has
too?
some collards and some beans in there.
Oh, okay.
Now, I suppose you could make this with mild Italian sausage, which would change the name
You'd have
completely.
to change the title.
But you want to keep the collards and the beans. You just do. This soup is really good, and I love it, so I'm giving you the recipe. And you can make fun of it if you want. This soup is so good on a cold day, I'm telling you what. It's pretty much got everything in there. I was kind of playing around one day, and I threw a bunch of stuff, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is actually good. So here we go. Here's your ingredients, and then we'll get into the instructions. So you'll need 1 pound of hot Italian sausage, loose, not in a link sausage, but the loose hot Italian sausage. 2 ribs of celery, and you want to slice them, I call them celery C's, so you want to slice them about a 1/4 inch thick, so they look like a little letter C. And then you need a 1/2 cup of carrot coins, which are your carrots in little round slices, and that's probably going to be about 2 carrots there. And again, you can cut those about a 1/4 inch thick. You'll need 1 medium onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, and then you'll need 1 15-ounce can of Italian diced tomatoes, 1 15-ounce, I think it's 15-ounce, you could get me wrong there, but I think it's a 15-ounce can of seasoned collard greens, and you want to drain the liquid off of those. And then you'll need 1 can of Great Northern beans, drained and rinsed, and then 4 cups of vegetable broth or chicken broth. And you can either buy the pre-made or you can make it yourself from bouillon or soup base mix. You know, as I keep saying on here all the time, I love that vegetable soup base powder. Giarusa makes it. Oh, they make this wonderful soup base that's vegetable soup base, and it's fantastic. And it's a powder. You just mix it with water. They do a good chicken broth too. So I like all the Giarusa broth products, but however you want to do it. Okay, and then you'll need some olive oil as needed for sautéing your vegetables and sausage. You want to make this in a nice sized Dutch oven because it builds. It has a lot of volume once you start adding everything. So, first of all, heat up your Dutch oven with 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it, and then break up the raw sausage into chunks and drop it into that warm oil and stir and cook until it's nicely browned. Then remove that to a bowl, and you'll have your olive oil and juice remaining in the Dutch oven. So to that, you're going to add the chopped onion, celery, and carrots, and cook and stir until the onion is soft and becomes translucent. Then add your 2 cloves of minced garlic and stir. Add your vegetable or chicken broth now and stir, and then bring that to a boil, and then simmer those vegetables for 15 to 20 minutes, half hour, however long it takes. Now, add your sausage back into it, your beans, and your tomatoes, return to a simmer, and stir that occasionally, and then add your collards, and stir and simmer for 30 minutes to an hour while you're getting ready to eat. And you can serve this with a nice crusty bread or garlic bread, and this is really good. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to have to make some this week because now that I'm talking about it, I'm thinking about it, and it sounds really good. This is a very good soup. It's kind of a variation on the classic Italian sausage soup. It's just a little more, it's a little more flavorful, a little more different, maybe. But it's very good, and I really enjoy it. So I hope you will too. This is a really good soup. It's nice and hearty and warming. I mean, and like I said in the beginning, if you don't like the spice of the hot sausage, use mild sausage. It'll taste just about the same. It just won't be spicy hot. Nothing else is spicy in here. So if you're one of those people that can't take spice, Just leave the spice out. But this is such a good soup. It's just like I said, oh, it's such a warming soup when it gets cold out. It's perfect for a winter day, and it's perfect to help you recover from Thanksgiving.
Make sure to check us out online on Facebook and Threads at Mary Mac Bakehouse, on Instagram at Mary Mac Bakehouse and Mary Mac Podcast, on our website, marymacbakehouse.com, and in person. Our last open day at Standing Chimney for 2024 is Saturday, December 7th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. More information at standingchimney.com.
Thanks a lot for listening if you did, and if you didn't, too bad for you.